Hello friends, Salam Namaste. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the recently exam of Internshala, which is on STAAD Pro, by which you are going to get a certificate. So this video will going to help you in getting good score at the end exam for a certification from Internshala for STAAD Pro. Okay, for totally we have 39 questions. Okay, as per my knowledge, I have solved this questions one after the all 39 questions I have solved, and I am going to share you with you today. So first question is, which option is marked in the following image? So by looking in this image, what this mark indicates? Okay, it indicates a menu bar. Second question, with y up, the view that you see from the positive x-axis. When you look from a positive x-axis, I'll show you. Okay, if this is a page, we are looking from this side. So if you have a building like this, so the face which you see from this end is right face, right view. So this is the answer. And for a third question, you can see bending moment and shear force diagram for which of the following mode? Okay, in which mode you are going to see bending moment and shear force? The question is asked like this. So in after modeling, when we do analysis, when we enter into the post-processing mode, we can find reaction, bending moment and shear force. That's the answer. Now for a question 4, the correct order of working in STAAD Pro is, first we'll define the nodes, then draw the beam, then we apply the load, then we run analysis. So for that, the correct answer is A. Now, fifth question. The analysis of structure is done to, why we go for analysis of a structure? To find out shear force, bending moment, and there is a one option. Second one is find the deflection of the structure. There is also right. Find the load on the structure. We won't find any load because we used to assign the load on the structure. So the answer is D. Option D. Both A and B is the right answer. Now coming to question 6. The correct range of the application of floor load for the hatched portion is. So this is a area of a slab, and here this portion is hatched here. This portion is hatched. If I want to assign a floor load, so what are the coordinates we are supposed to give in the floor loading? The question. Now this is our X and this is our Y. Okay. Now when we count this X along the X axis, 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8. So 8 and this is 10. So X, where X coordinate is 8 and 10. Okay. Then D option is also 8 and 10. So either B and D is a solution. Now coming to the Z range. Okay. Z range, when we start from here, okay, it is 7 and 10. So second option, B is the right answer. For fifth question, B is the right answer. Now coming to seventh question, the correct range for application of floor load for the following hatched portion is. Now in this given plan, the hatched portion is here. And again, we need to find the coordinate for X and Z. Now the X coordinate is 2 plus 2, which is 2 plus 2, which is 4. And 4 and 6. Now 4 and X is 4 and 6, where B and C seem same, X value is 4 and 6. But now coming to Z range, so we need to count from this side because the origin is here. So here it is 4 and 7. So 4 and 7. So option C is the right answer. For question 7, option C is the right answer. Now question 8, the question asked is the correct region of Y to assign the load in the first floor. So what are the correct region? So when we assign a floor load, again we give Y coordinate. Okay, just now we have calculated X and Z coordinate. Similarly, Y coordinate. So we need to find that this is a given plan in which first floor, second floor, and third floor. First floor is 3 meters, second floor is 4, and this is 4. So now, if you want to assign the height of a first floor, the range has to be given, that is 0 to 3. So option C is the right answer. Now coming to question 9, the correct reason in Y to assign the second floor load is, if I want to assign the floor load of a second floor, so what should be the coordinate we are supposed to take? So up to 0 to 3 it is first floor. So 0 to 3 here we don't have option. So 2 to 4. Now look at here, 2 to 4 falls here only. So we have to give below the floor and range above the floor. So this is how we have to give. So our initial value for a floor height of a second floor will be after 3 height. First floor height we need to consider this height. After this height we have to consider the range. So in this it is 2 to 7 meters. Because total height is 7. So if I give 2 to 7, then it is okay. Okay, now in question 10, which load is shown in the following picture? By looking at this picture, what it represents? This picture is given for two-way load distribution. It's a two-way load distribution. Floor load, two-way distribution. It is a distribution of floor load in a two direction. So option D is the right answer for question 10. Now question 11, the load combination is required so that, why we need the load combination? Load combination is required so that the load can be applied together with some factor of safety. So here the option C is the right answer. For the question 12, the following window appears in the design process. In this design process, this window appear for what? This window appear after the application of load, during the analysis of structure, after the analysis of structure,